All right, so last video you guys were with me. I was testing out the silk screen, or actually I don't know, maybe I was going to get the shirts to try on. So what I did was I came back, had a bunch of old shirts that I was just practicing on, you know, pressing up on these old collar shirts and old shirts that I had, just to try to get the rhythm of it. And then I did it on a white tee that I just bought. And as you could see, this shit came out sick. 100 Years of Wealth, that's just a dope ass logo, but it came out great there. This is quick drying because it is watercolor or water based, so it dries quicker. And I did a little logo on the front, so already having fun. Seeing that I need to just like press it a little bit harder, and then don't go over these little plus signs because those are not part of the logo, those are just part of the screen. But I think I did it pretty decent, created a decent little shirt. Yeah, more to come. This is gonna be hella fun. 100 Years of Wealth. Just love seeing that pressed up, you know? Sick. But yeah, I'll make these available to you guys one day. One day. But yeah, so this is literally the first day I've actually done this, and it's coming out great already. I'm probably gonna end up getting a bigger size of this so that it does, like, it covers more of a back of a shirt. But I like the way it came out. I could put that on bags. I could put that on, you know, a lot of different things. 100 Years of Wealth. Peace out, y'all.